Today we are starting the video out by picking up because I have kids. The house has not been exactly kept up. It's 6:35. We need to clean up a little bit because this is what the room looks like. This is what my laundry room looks like. And if you know, you know I can't stand a freaking messy house. So let's get these clothes put away. I think that I've shared before that I don't mind doing laundry. It is the act of sorting through the laundry and hanging it up that I really loathe. Hence this, like sometimes clothes stay in the dryer for days over here. Okay, so don't like doing laundry because I do my laundry and my two daughters' laundry. But basically what I do when I'm sorting laundry is I sort everything first into 3 piles: mine, my oldest, and then my youngest. So that's what I'm doing right now. And I always just shake out the clothes because sure enough we'll be missing a sock or something. And then towels. I put towels, well, usually if it's, I'll just set them aside. So now I actually have 4 piles. I have mine, my oldest, my youngest, and then towels. So then I just start folding, and any sock matches I find, I put them together. I do just my daughter's clothes first because then I can work on mine and actually put them away. Folds my youngest pajamas. We just have like 1 pajama drawer, so I never fold them because she just has a drawer dedicated to pajamas that we just throw them in. Okay, then I'll go put these away in their rooms. Okay, and then typically I would fold these towels, but these just get hung up in my daughter's bathroom, so be right back. And then I'll actually fold these towels. So, fun fact, I listened to on a podcast that the #1 indicator in ensuring that your children grow up to be successful is making them do chores. Okay, let me go put these back. Be right back. So now I'm gonna go through my huge pile of clothes. But what I was saying is that the #1 indicator if your child is going to be successful is if you make them do chores. And I thought that was so interesting and honestly tracks when I was a kid, and that's obviously why I am the way that I am now. But we had to we did chores every single day, literally. My parents were were freaks about it. like every day with me, it was just me and my sister growing up, but every day we had to empty out all of the garbages before my parents came home from work. We had to have the house picked up, the floors vacuumed. Not every day on like vacuuming, but we had to have the whole house picked up every day before they got home from work. And then I think it was like once a week, I want to say, we had to like vacuum, sweep, clean our bathroom. I mean, whatever. It was, obviously we hated it when we were kids, but I will say me and my sister are both, we're pretty successful people, so I would say that it definitely did something. And also now I know the importance of just like having a clean and picked up and tidy home. So anyways, I just kind of found that interesting, and I don't know, let me know in the comments below, like, do you think that's true? Did you have chores growing up that you like had to do? And just, yeah, do you think it's true? Because I thought it was like a really good, I don't know, just like a really good true fact. I don't know. I'm tired. Anyways, sorry that I haven't had a video up this week. It's been a busy week for me. It's been a stressful week for me. That I can't really talk about, but it's over with. Thank God. Tomorrow is Friday, which I think is probably when you guys will see this. So happy Friday, happy weekend. We made it. My stressful week is over. This is a week that I have been stressing out about for months, and I'm really glad it's over with. And I will say, if there is anything that I learned about today / this week, it's that a lot of things, but you are more resilient than you think you are. You can get through things that you can get through things that you never thought that you could. So just remember that if you're like going through a hard time or a tough time, and this is something that I had at the forefront of my mind specifically today because I had to do something that I really didn't want to do today, like at all, and it was really stressful, but you've gotten through every hard time in your life, like all the hardest day of your life, you got through that, you know? And I don't know, I think that there's just something to be said about that, and just like remember that if you are like going through a tough time or having a bad day, or you have to do something that you're really dreading, just remember that you've gotten through your toughest day so far. You can do it again. You are so resilient. We can get through anything. Like literally, we can get through anything. We adapt. We can get through anything as human beings. I promise. It's all in your mental mindset. It's all in your attitude. And just another reminder, whether you think you can or you think you can't, you're right. So, I know that's a quote by somebody, but just remember that. And I promise you, you can do it. Okay, also, I know that I've shown these hangers before, but like, these things are just these like little, I don't know, connector things. They're amazing, and they make so much more room in my closet. Like truly, it makes a difference. I will link them below. I know I did like a whole video on them. They are kind of a pain in the butt to like when you have to like hang stuff up, but I mean, it's worth it. Like look, I always do like 2 to 3. If it's sweatshirts, I usually do 2, but like shirts, 3. I think they're great. Okay, almost done with my bedroom, thankfully. clothes are done. My most like dreaded task done. So now I just kind of need to straighten this area up. Okay, so now, sorry that you have to see my huge ring light, but this is what I got. Anyways, I need to clean up all of this. So look at my new rug from West Elm, so cute. I just need to clean up my bathroom. So like I said, I had like a busy day today, and typically I just like pick up everything like right after I'm done using it, but today I had a busy day. I was actually gone for half of the day. So that's a lot of the reason why my house is a mess right now. But luckily, it's never that bad because maintenance is key. Truly, maintenance is key. If you just maintain like generally a like clean, picked up home, then when you actually go to like clean and pick up and like tidy up, it's actually not that bad, and it really doesn't take that long. So another hot tip. But anyways, this is all done, luckily, and my room looks so much better. I actually needed to use my iron. I had to iron my shirt because like I said, I was gone. I had to go somewhere like pretty important today. So I actually had to bust out my iron, you guys. But I just need to go dump it because I filled it up with water and then put it away. And actually, I was just thinking, I don't think I finished my train of thought. Weird. About the whole chore thing. So what I was going to say with that is that like my oldest, because my youngest is not even 2, but my oldest is 7.5. And she, when she's here, because I only have her half the time, I like make her do chores around the house. And one of them is which works for me because I hate putting away laundry, but I you know, I make her like sort out the laundry and then obviously put her clothes away. Much better. Now we are going downstairs to clean up. It's not terrible, but just toys that need to be picked up. My kitchen just needs a little picking up. So, and you guys, look at this. Today is the last day of July. That is absolutely insane to me. I'm just gonna hold the camera and walk around and pick up and talk to you guys. I cannot believe how fast this year is flying by. Honestly, cannot believe it because I was at the doctor the other day. I had a doctor appointment and I was literally telling my doctor, I was like, mentally I'm still in March. And it's about to be August, literally tomorrow, and I absolutely can't believe it. Like, August is back to school month, and my oldest is going to be starting 2nd grade, which is just insane. I just cannot believe how fast the summer has literally gone by. Sorry, you guys are probably getting dizzy because I'm walking around holding the camera. So I apologize for that, but gotta do what you gotta do. Anyways, I just, I don't know, I can't believe it. I just don't understand where the time goes. The older I get, I'm 35. The older I get, the faster time goes. And it's just crazy going. So how are you guys doing? Does everybody else agree that this year is like flying by? Like, is it just me? Why is this year going by so fast? Like August tomorrow, I can't wrap my mind around it. And I kind of think it's just because I've been like literally so busy. Like, I started a new job. I was at my old company for 12 years. And I started a new job in March, which is, that alone was scary. And I'm like, it's already been 4 months, literally from today. March, April, May, June. Yeah, 4 months that I started. But I was gonna say, I think it's because I've been so busy because I started a new job, so that's obviously stressful and I'm learning a lot, and so I've just been like mentally like checked out and busy with that. I also started a YouTube channel, which I'm obviously trying to grow and like do that. I've been obviously busy with that, and I don't know, it's just like the time anymore. It's done, luckily. The house is all picked up now. Everything is put away. My husband actually comes home tomorrow for the weekend, and then he'll be gone again on Monday. So that's why I'm filming right now. It's kind of nice to film like later in the day because usually I film during the day, but stay tuned for more videos. I'm going to be doing like a kitchen organization video soon, probably like a cleaning out my fridge, like things like that I think you guys will really enjoy. So make sure to subscribe, give my video a thumbs up. Thanks so much for watching. It was a little shorter video today, but just wanted to catch up with you guys. And what else was I gonna say? Sorry, it's probably loud because my dishwasher is going right now, but oh, I wanted to say, for those of you who have subscribed, thank you for subscribing, because I had a goal to hit 200 followers or 200 subscribers by the end of July. Today is July 31st and I hit 200, I think it was like 2 days ago or something like that. So that is so cool. I'm so appreciative of each and every one of you. I promise more eventful videos will be coming very soon. Like I said, it was just a busy week, a stressful week for me, and I just I didn't have the time, so that's just kind of how it goes sometimes. So anyways, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys very soon in my next video.